Today we'll look into other remaining configurations in material master. So I'll go directly to configuration guide SPRO. We have covered all the configurations which are there in logistic general under material master. Whatever the configurations were there, we have already covered. So now we will move to, we have some more configurations at this material management. Under this tab we have some of the configuration related to material master. Here in under purchasing we have material master. Under this we have some of the key fields that will be there in material master. So today we will discuss these things. So under this define shipping instruction, purchasing value key, these are the important thing. We will look into all these things, right? This video first we will look into shipping instructions, define shipping instruction. So first we will know what is, I'll open on material master dash and mm01. So I'll give test material for shipping instruction section. So we'll take basic of measure material group, and in purchasing view we have here we have shipping instructions there. So this tab we will configure in this relatively minimum. This purchasing value key, whatever it is displaying here, it will be configured here in purchasing values key is there. No, here we will configure this thing. So under this we have, if you open this thing, here we will come to know. So shipping instruction we will mention it in purchasing value key itself. So we will define in other. So I'll show you in this tab we will discuss, we'll define shipping instruction and we will assign it in purchasing value key. So this the shipping instructions and purchasing values key we will see in material master. Here see whenever we enter material purchasing value key, it will pick automatically shipping instructions also. If you maintain for this purchasing value key, if you maintain shipping instruction, it will fetch. So now I'll directly go to shipping instructions. So I'll first will know what is the definition of shipping instructions. Whenever you order a material from a vendor, you will mention in purchase order how order should be shipped, how the packaging should be, and how it should be shipped to our premises. So here you can see define shipping instructions. You can set out certain shipping and packaging instructions in purchase order issued to your vendors. So whenever we issue purchase orders to vendors, we can set some shipping and packaging instructions in purchase order. So when the relevant goods is received, when the relevant goods receipts are entered, the extent to which the vendor has complied with this instruction can be noted. So whether the vendor is following our instructions, shipping and packaging instructions, we can assess when we receive the material. So here in shipping instruction, what are the things we can specify, which packaging and shipping instruction apply to deliveries or ordered goods. So particular for some material, what is the shipping instruction and delivery packaging instructions applied. So whether instructions are included in PO document. So these instructions should be included in PO document or not. Only if you define material master, it is not enough. If you want to display in PO document also, you have some settings. So which criteria apply in assessing the degree of vendor's compliance? So we will assess once we receive the material, we will assess there whether they are maintained our requirement or not. So here some example is there. CO means coil. So in NE means unpacked nylon net. These are some of the shipping instructions here given. I will show you in configurations now. See, now in material master where it will come, you understood. So under purchasing tab, under purchasing we have purchasing values. Here you can mention this thing. So in configurations I will display now. First in shipping inspection. So you can see shipping instructions are there already. So see, one for V1 is an indicator. So here you can, whatever the instruction you want to give, you can mention it here in under description. So print shipping instruction. So if you want to print on PO, you should check this tick box, and after vendor delivers the material, right? So you can monitor the compliance with shipping instructions. Whatever the shipping instructions you have maintained in PO, whether the vendor followed or not. According to that, you can score him. See, here you can see shipping instruction compliant with. If whatever the instructions we have maintained on in shipping instructions, if he has achieved that one, 100 points out of 4 points. So no compliance achieved with instruction not followed. So in that case, no points are there. Similarly, there are two shipping instructions defined in standard system. You can see here. See, shipping procedure observed 100 and now. So if partially adopted 50, it has given. So not observed 1, it has given. So these are the shipping instructions. So if you want, you can configure your own. So if you want to configure, just copy existing one and give your own number and your own description. You can give it. You can copy all. See, not equal to compliance with shipping instruction. So 01. So you can maintain it here. Compliant with, I will give it, and again I can give 100 points. They already exist. Okay, so you can see we have maintained already, so you can save it. See, if you want one more entry, you can enter that one also. See, 02 not compliant with, you can add not complied. You can give 0 points to all. So you cannot leave it blank. So it should be more than 0. Now you can see we have defined our own under shipping instruction N1. So we can define our own shipping instructions also. So if you tick these check marks, you can print the shipping instruction in your PO. So next I will come to purchasing value keys. So if you open, first I will say what it will define. Purchasing value key. Purchasing value key in the material master record, you can store some of the rules governing issue of reminder and urging letters. So when after issuing PO, you will give reminders to vendors to supply the materials. So that we can set in purchasing value keys. So you can also whatever the admissible, that is allowed over and under deliveries, and after PO confirm, after giving the PO, whether vendor acknowledgement is required or not, you can mention. Also, as we defined in previous step, we can mention packing and shipping instructions. So I will show you it here. See, in material master, you can see these are the first reminder or expedite, first reminder or expedite letter, second, third. So here you can see shipping instruction, whichever we will define in purchasing value key, it will appear here. So under delivery tolerance. So if material is under delivered with respect to PO, suppose the quantity delivered is less than PO. So up to what extent you can achieve, what is the tolerance? If it gives one or two components less, you are allowed to accept the goods, or else see that you can set here under delivery, over delivery. Sometimes over delivery also happens. In that case, you can mention it, minimum delivery quantity in percentage, all those things in purchasing value key you can maintain. So I will show it here in configuration. See, purchasing value key 1, 2, 3 up to 6 already defined. In this only I will show you first how it looks like. See, here in purchasing value key you can set the reminders. So first reminder 10 days, second reminder 20 days, third reminder 30 days. See, here acknowledgement required is not unticked. So it means acknowledgement is not required. Under delivery tolerance, over delivery tolerance, all those things not maintained. Shipping instructions also not maintained. In this purchasing value key, it has not maintained anything. If I come back here, if I open this thing, you can see here purchasing value key for 2 reminders 10 days, 20 days, 30 days. Similarly, under delivery tolerance is 10%, over delivery 10%. No shipping instructions defined here also. Now third, see, under delivery tolerance here unlimited over delivery. So under delivery only 5% allowed, but no limit for over delivery. If it is if you are sending excess material, there is no limit, you can accept. So unlimited delivery, over delivery allowed. So here shipping instructions not allowed, also not entered. So again, fourth one, here also it is also normal case, 5% is there. Fifth one, see, under delivery tolerance, minimum delivery quantity also it has given here. Standard delivery, all these things it has given. So unlimited over delivery, he has not specified any under delivery tolerance here. Sixth also, so it is also common. So if you want to define your own, you can define it by copying. Suppose if you want to copy this one, you can copy this one, you can enter. So reminder, whatever the days, see, you want up to 8 days, up to 16 days, up to 30 days. Acknowledgement required, under delivery, total under delivery tolerance you should want to keep at 2%, over delivery also 2%. You can mention shipping instructions. See, I have defined shipping instruction in previous step, that N1 came here. You can select this one, you can maintain. So minimum delivery quantity, see, this all the things you can enter. You can see your purchasing value key also defined already. So now you understood. I am not, I will just save it. See, now we are done with in material master define shipping instructions and purchasing value keys. So in material master I will select and I will show you. So see, now I have defined purchasing value key 7, so it is mine. I will select this one. Now you can see whatever the things we have entered here. See, it has taken 8 days first reminder, second reminder 16 days, third reminder or expedite 30 days. So under delivery tolerance 2%, over delivery 2%. See, also acknowledgement required checkbox activated. So this is the importance of purchasing value key and shipping instructions. When we go to when we create PO, then I'll show you where the shipping instructions will come. I can show you there. So I am not saving this material. So these are the two things. Next I will discuss the remaining things.